Welcome to our channel. Today we how to share screen on Google Meet, presentation setup step by step clearly. To share your screen on Google Meet, first, open your web browser. Navigate to meet.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Initiate a new meeting or join an existing one. Once in the meeting, look for the Present Now button. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the Present Now button to reveal three options. You can choose to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. Select the option that best suits your presentation needs. If you opt to share your entire screen, click on that option. A new window will pop up showing all available screens. Choose the screen you wish to share and click the Share button. If you decide to share a specific window, select that option. Choose the specific window you want to share and click Share. For sharing a Chrome tab, select that option. Then, select the tab you want to share and click Share. Once your screen is being shared, you can start your presentation. Remember that participants will see everything you present. To stop sharing your screen, return to the Google Meet interface. Click on the Stop Sharing button at the bottom of your screen. You have now successfully shared your screen on Google Meet. Ensure to monitor the chat for any questions during your presentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.